tells jokes. I think she is wow in the world 添啊，仲唔係嘴？好啦，Y 住乜嘢？正確，慢慢寫，寫到 Y 停一停，慢慢寫咯。時間快，你錯咗冇意思㗎，係咪啊？慢慢寫到 Y， 記住啦。I think she's the funniest. OK。咦，有得比喎 ，she 同埋 us 係咪啊？頂咯，所以 ing 尾包 she's more hardworking 係咪啊？唔係頂啦 ，more hardworking than us 咯。OK， 冇 hardworking 㗎嘛，係咪 ？more hardworking than us。OK 咯喎，下邊啦。咁下邊自己做㗎咯噃，譬如 beautiful 一定係 more 同 most 啦。OK， 跟住咧，所以一定要睇後面咯。My cake 同 Sandy's cake， 咁好明顯係訂啦，啱唔啱啊？係啦，咁去分嘅，得唔得？慢慢做呢啲更加一定要睇多啲去做嘅。好啦，轉咯。閱讀理解呢，你就好難幫手噶啦。而家呢一刻 tenses 仲可以嘅，係啦。嗱 yesterday 啦，圈晒呢啲字俾我，你哋咪識咯，係咪 ？Yesterday 咪即係 I had 咯 ，HAD，OK，I had。跟住記住過去式有啲難串啊嚇，哇 ，oats wrote，WR 係一個字 ，OK， 讀音得樣 ，wrote，R-O-T-E，I wrote。A funny story and gave it an interesting title。過去式啦 and gave，OK。Miss Chan like my story, she said。嗱，當時嘅情況咁，所以咧都係加 ED 噶啦。She said, Emily, your story is wonderful。因為佢講緊嘢嚇。I felt 得唔得？講嘢有機會過去式。但係暫時都唔係過去式咯。跟住啦，嗱，現在式，記住先，記住 TH 加 S，SH 加 ES 得唔得？簡唔簡單？因為